Ladies and gentlemen, it finally came in. It looks good. I mean, of course, I didn't do a whole video on how to do an install on spools because it's pretty much plug and play. You push it in, you screw it in, you're done. That's what she said. Yo, what is going on, my Sasamoto family? I hope all you guys are doing great. I have a new microphone setup, with the new helmet. No longer rocking the AGV. I'm now back with Shoei. I'm really hoping this really works out well. Yeah, this is the setup currently with the new helmet, the Shoei. I'm no longer rocking the AGV because this helmet is, to be honest, is much more quieter. So we're going to go ahead and rock this helmet for a bit. I'm going to go and kind of just go around the block, just kind of chill. So I just took the bike off the battery tender, and we're going to hit up that cold start once I figure out how to put on these gloves. Let's be ready for that cold start. Let's go. That display is just amazing. It's not loud, but it's super grunty. Yeah, it looks great. I went on to a group chat that I have. Not really a group chat, it's through Facebook, through Central Florida Motorcycle Riders, aka CFMR. I get mixed reviews. It needs to be lit and displayed, which it looks like it's displayed. I can see it from a distance. I think they said 20 feet you should be able to see it. So if I'm sitting all the way out here, I can see it. I mean, it's not as big as my regular license plate in my car, but it's still visible. I'm not planning on putting any passengers onto this bike, so yeah. So I'm trying to find how to get rid of this. Trying to get a rear cowl for this bike. So I'm gonna go for this night ride because it's really nice out, and I'm thinking a nice little chill ride. Oh man, I don't know why do I have a flat tire? I hope not. No, the suspension has gotten really soft. I think that's because of rain mode. I put in dynamic, which is I don't know if it's just me. I hope this microphone is working. I really hope, because if this vlog doesn't work, I guess it'll be a test phase. I'm hoping that you guys have a clear view of the whole display and everything. But yeah. Oh, Christmas is coming. Thanksgiving is over. Hopefully you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. Usually the other holidays, when they come through, I spend it alone usually. I'm a loner. I tried being with somebody, but I feel like it never works out because I'm too focused on other things. It's just the way my life is, and I'm okay with it. You know, growing up, I was almost like an only child, but I do have siblings. You know, I have brothers and sisters, but just to me, the way things work for my life, I'm always alone. I do things alone for the vast majority of my life. Yes, family is there. I have family. I visit. We talk every now and again. Dang, I wore the vest today, and it's a little bit colder than I anticipated. I haven't done a motovlog at night in forever, so I don't know how this footage is going to come out. I really want to get rid of that catalytic converter. I want to get an exhaust that's not going to be too loud. I don't want a short pipe, because I feel like a short pipe is just going to make it super ridiculously loud again. You know, this helmet makes things quieter, which is great. I don't have to put in earplugs. With my AGV, every time I rode, I had to put in earplugs because it was just, the wind was just ridiculous. Not so much the bike. I could tolerate the noise of the bike. it was just the wind. Like when you're doing speeds of, you know, 60, 70 miles per hour. Please don't do it. Thank you. I saw you trying to jump in. When you're going to speeds of 60 to 70 miles per hour, you hear everything. You're riding for like 20 minutes. By the time you get to your next destination, your ears are ringing. It's almost like you just went to a rock concert and you came home and your ears are ringing. Which I tend to do as a musician. If I go to a concert, I'm going to wear earplugs. Yes, I'm that guy. Guess what? When I get home, I'll be able to hear. This is a nice little setup. I'm gonna have to put up some photos of the setup that I currently have to this helmet. It's pretty cool. I don't have the chin skirt on this thing. Skirt. But I feel like it's okay to be without it. The only thing is you run a little bit more of a risk with, you know, stuff getting all in your helmet, because that's what the chin skirt is supposed to do. But I don't know. Maybe I'll find a different way to put the skirt on and leave this setup currently on. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to check out this footage when I get home to see what needs improvement, if I need to like angle the camera differently or not. But I feel like this is a good angle. You know, I'm sitting comfortably on the bike. I'm assuming you guys can see everything. I adjusted a little bit forward. And to be honest, I feel a little bit more confident with this setup because it's strapped in. There's no way to stay. Those belts need to come off in order for this thing to fall out. And it's two of them. So if one breaks, at least you have a backup. And you can say, okay, I need a new one. So I am definitely enjoying. What are you doing, buddy? Don't ride my tail. Please don't ride my tail. You're going a little too crazy here. Okay, I guess we'll test this out for real. Here's the state trooper. I'm going to sit right here and see what he does. So, I mean, this is pretty dope. It's a little bit on the chilly side as far as you know, when you're riding tonight, because I think we're in the 70 degree mark, 60 degrees. Mirror check really quick. So far this police officer hasn't done anything, unless if he's going to cut in front of the person behind me. He's not pulling out quickly. There he goes. So alright, state trooper's cool with it. Alright. So far so good. Oh, so far so good. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't know what you're doing. Okay, how you going there? Officially, my baby has a name now. And her name is Luna. Go figure. Luna. That was the name that kept speaking to me. And for people that don't speak Spanish, Luna is actually the moon. I was going through a bunch of names. I'm like, Onyx has already been used. I'm not using that again because that carries some sentimental value to it. My previous S1K, her name was Bella, but unfortunately I didn't have a GoPro camera and none of that stuff. To be honest, I didn't even know that you know, GoPros was a thing, and I didn't follow YouTube that hard back in the day, because I was more focused on other things. I had a lot more stuff going on. I'm gonna make a left instead and see what's good. I'm always making a right. Oh, that is cute. You know what? I should go right. Look at this. I love Christmas, especially here in Florida, because it reminds me so much of Puerto Rico. Look at this. That is... People are so festive. I love it. I freaking love it. You know, I'm finding newfound love for St. Cloud more and more. Like every time I veer off, and every time I take a little trip out to the lakefront. Look at that little bridge. There's a little bridge there where you can just kind of chill out. Look at these decors. People are in the holiday spirit. I'm loving it. I'm loving the holiday spirit. Let's go. Wow. This is dope. That is super dope. Look at that. Oh man, that is so cool. That is that is so freaking cool. Here we go. Let's go. Right here, right here. Let's go. Nice and easy. There it is. Woo, go under the lights. Look at this brick street. This is ridiculous. Like, you don't see this anymore. And these are like not your regular bricks. Oh, we got... This is gorgeous. We have a beautiful little gun store, of course. Good old Florida jewelry spot. We're trying to say if you steal some jewelry, you're gonna get shot at. That's what we're trying to say. Yeah. Now we got a biker right here. 3 wheels. Look at that. I see those every now and again. I've never seen those in New York. I see them all the time here. Oh, the lights just turned off and turned back on again. Good Lord, my man. You were just ridiculous. For those of you that are just joining in, my previous videos I had the 2020 Yamaha one. I had that thing flash tuned. And shortly after getting it flash tuned, I got the S1K, which I wasn't expecting. I just wanted to sit on it. Luna was like, you are taking me home. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Get your ass in that office and go ahead and sign some paperwork because I'm coming with you. You are not leaving without me. I was like, oh, okay. And that's exactly what happened. Luna was very forceful. She was like, I'm not having it. You're not leaving here without me. That's my story and I'm sticking with it. Oh. But this bike is amazing. I'm not gonna lie. It's super amazing. This bike is great. We'll cruise around the neighborhood to look at some stuff. Wow, that's really nice. They're still decorating. House looks great. This is my little neighborhood. Just coming to swing by and see. What are you doing, sir? Are you moving along, or I'm not sure if you're okay. Making sure we're good. Yeah, my neighborhood knows how to look. Look at that. They put a whole Santa up there on top of the garage. That's great. That's it. No more decors. Anybody else? Ah, we got some right here. See, even something simple like that I should do. That's pretty dope. It's clean. I'm just not the decor type person though, that's the only thing. Alright, it's time to head home. Well, that is it, my Sasso Moto family. I just wanted to come through and say and take a quick ride. Hey, take a quick ride on the bike on Luna. That's it, baby. Let's see what this baby sounds like. I can't rev her up too high, but say hi to Luna. Luna, say hi. There you go. Alright, my Sasso Moto family, you guys take care. Have a great night. And hopefully everyone has enjoyed Thanksgiving. Peace.